See what you can find.
Wow.
Dave's riding off once again in search of supplies. So something that happened yesterday before we went to bed, well, two things. I just discovered a tick on Dave, and so he was like queued up waiting for me to find the tweezers, and then all of a sudden a huge gust of wind came, blew our tent over, because you know we were in this breezeway, so we aren't staked in. So the tent was upside down and like going along this concrete, and he's waiting for the tweezers. Somehow we can get this tick out. So I righted the tent, but there was a little damage. So our rainfly has some abrasions, basically got sanded off on this concrete. So he's in search this morning of maybe some duct tape or something that we can just patch with. So, because I think where we're headed tonight, we're going up to Klondike Campground near Augusta, and there might be some rain tonight. Well, today by 2. So I'm trying to get this repaired enough that we can hunker down inside and be dry if we have to. So he's on a mission. It's a Sunday, and not a lot of things are open on Sundays, but there's a gas station over here. They're bound to have something waterproof that's sticky, right? And if you saw the last video, you know that this tavern over here was having live music. That went on a very, very long time. And then when the band was done, that's when the partying really started. It was so loud. And then after that, there was cleanup, which involved throwing glass bottles into a garbage can. So I was awake off and on past like 3:30. I've had a lot of coffee this morning to make up for it. So we'll see what he comes up with, and then we're gonna hit the trail. We have 14 miles today, and we're hoping to see a few wineries along the way. So I don't know. We'll see what we find. Did you find something that'll work? All right.
The place open was Dollar General.
Oh, okay.
It's probably
half mile, I think, is it?
more,
yeah. Oh.
What? Was I gone forever?
I think I forgot to mention.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Boy, she thought I was gone without
She
you.
did. She's worried.
You can't leave without me.
I forgot to mention we were in Marthasville, if you didn't see the last video. But I also wanted to show you how he solved the problem of our tent blowing over. Will you lift that rainfly? He found this huge, like, bar.
It's a big, heavy galvanized pipe, just right length.
It was perfect size, so that prevented us from flying away again. Oh, and all's well that ends well. We got the tick out of him. It wasn't really burrowed in at all. And then, like, an hour later, we found a tick on me. But guess who didn't have a tick? This girl.
What did I find?
What did you find?
Duct tape,
Oh, good.
Gardettos,
Okay.
and some peanut lemonade.
Oh, boy. I bet she'll have some of those pretzels, huh, girl? Okay. Let's see about this duct tape business.
That concrete did a number, didn't it?
It did. Ooh.
A lot of places. We got this one,
Yeah, it goes all the way down here, though, too.
big one here.
Yep.
Big one there.
There's some here too. It's like the slightest abrasion, but there might be, I think there's a hole in there. Yeah, we really gotta inspect it. Anywhere the poles were too underneath, there's little holes. Okay, we're gonna wrap this project up and hit the road.
Day 9. Captain's log.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Just left Marthasville. It's 9 a.m. We're in the shade. It's like a high today of 78, which...
The girls napping. We got thunder showers later.
We've got the tent patch, hopefully.
Yeah.
We'll find out tonight. Actually, the good thing is it just rains this evening.
Well,
2 to 10 or something, but it's not like we're gonna be laying in bed tonight getting rained on.
Weather changes frequently here.
Yeah, that's so far, I guess. All right, let's head to Augusta.
Yeah.
And
Klondike Park.
Klondike Campground, and maybe with any luck there'll be a winery or two open and I can do a little tasting. Calories. Here we go.
Oh boy, I'm gonna have to get off Butch. Nope, just go. This is like quicksand, or as they would call it, slow sand.
There's some deep gravel back there.
As you would call it, slow sand.
Yeah, slow sand.
It's like hitting a loose gravel with a fan or something. You just try and go to it.
Yeah.
This is kind of a crazy ride today. We're in Augusta. We kind of hot-footed down here.
So here in Augusta, there's a bunch of wineries, and when this says, when we think of American wine, California comes to mind, and perhaps Oregon, Washington, or New York. But Missouri? Yeah, absolutely. Did I say that?
Yeah, I think so.
German immigrants settled on the lower Missouri River, and later Italians coming to the St. James area brought their winemaking skills to the state. By the 1880s, Missouri made 2 million gallons a year, the most of any state. Missouri wines were also excellent. They won, for example, 8 gold medals at the 1873 Vienna World's Fair.
Wow.
So with any luck, I could find like a 1873 vintage
Ooh.
Cabernet.
You think so, huh? Let's
So
give it a shot.
I haven't had any Missouri wine ever. I want to. There's wineries here. You guys might have to park here and let me run up that steep hill.
Yeah, oh, I'll let you run all day long.
Well, I'll just ride the bike.
We're 3 miles from camp, I think, so we can take our time. Yep. Where's Dad going, Pistol? He's on a mission.
Well, I think we have made it to the campground at Augusta. It's a big silo and a steep hill, and Irene's on her way up. That's steep.
I'm coming. This is still hard pushing.
Oh my God.
Pistol's heavy.
Whew. Well, storm's coming. It's go find our spot and get our tent set up before it rains.
Did you find some wine?
Yeah. Bought a bottle of wine. That's what slowed me down. The the extra weight. Mad rush to get the tent up, trying to race the storm. Thankfully, our picnic table has a covered area, and we got the tent and all the sleeping bags inside just as the rain starts coming down.
Oh, and the girls.
It's just raining right now. I can't believe this.
We did it. We really did it.
That was awesome.
Oh, Lord. You're okay, girl.
Duct tape's on there good.
Yeah. We'll see how this goes, but we shouldn't be sweltering tonight. Is this okay like that? No, it needs zip.
You can just Velcro the middle one.
There we go. Oh, gotta get some snacks, change out of these clothes.
Talk about your day.
It's been a heck of a day.
I drank wine.
I did not.
Went to a wine tasting.
Oh, so when we were in Augusta, yeah, he was up trying to hunt down some wine, and our friends that we met previously,
Kurt and Dana
rolled in. So we ended up finding a brewery there and BSing with them for
They
a
hadn't
while.
eaten yet, so they had pizza, and Kurt bought me a beer, which I appreciated. It was delicious. Gave me all the energy to climb the hill. The hill up to this campground was insane.
I pushed, as you saw. It was too crazy, and my calves were killing me just pushing this weight up the hill. So
This rain feels like liquid air conditioning.
it feels really good. I gotta get some snacks though.
For 9 days, I've been packing a couple dehydrated meals for emergencies because I didn't want to pack a ton of food because everything's so heavy. So we've been eating on the road, but this is our last night in a tent. So I'm gonna cook these meals.
Let's do that soon.
So tomorrow we're riding close to 30 miles, whatever it is, 26 miles.
Yeah.
I'm not packing them one more mile.
Yeah.
So I'm eating them or donating them, one or the other.
Today's the day. Oh, I need to clean up and make sure all this is undercover. Okay, we'll be back. Chef is in the house or in the great outdoors. What's on the menu today?
Today's evening will be chili mac with beef. That's yours, right?
Yes. I mean, I'll share.
You picked this out.
But I want some of yours. That's why I'm saying I'll share.
In the Vagabond kitchen, I'm having beef stroganoff with noodles and savory cream sauce with mushrooms and onions.
That sounds so good. But so does the chili mac. Don't eat that.
Chef tip of the day. Remove.
How's that look? That looks good. I think it's ready.
Oops. We're gonna stir this.
Oh, it smells good.
We're gonna stir it. And then we're gonna seal it for 5 minutes.
And then I'm gonna go.
Then we're gonna stir it again.
Yeah.
Reseal it for 4 or 5 minutes.
Really? Okay. Gotta have patience.
You can't rush quality.
Okay.
I mean, you gotta do this right.
Gourmet.
I told you what happens when you eat these too soon.
Yeah, I've heard. They blow
Okay.
up in your guts.
Okay, your dinner is cooking.
Okay.
Time to cook mine.
Time to cook yours.
We prepare the stroganoff.
Okay, that smells good. Let's dive into this. I have to say yours looks better than mine.
Oh, it
Let's just do
smells way better. Can you smell this?
I'm gonna be eating some of it.
There's plenty here.
Well, there's plenty here. I feel like we should both be eating the chili, so
That smells good though.
yeah.
So it's completely dehydrated, then just rehydrated.
Hmm.
Not like home cooked.
No, it's not home cooked.
Now we only rode 14, 15 miles today, so on the how good food tastes scale, had we ridden 45 miles today, you'd be like, "Oh, this is the best chili mac ever."
I mean, I'm not gonna turn my nose up at it.
15 miles is like a walk in the park these days. So you're like, didn't burn any calories today. This is all right. Oh,
I burn calories.
smell
You
that.
probably didn't.
That's stroganoff.
That smells really legitimate. This smells good, but the beef is a little suspect.
Suspect beef.
It's chewy.
I'm not sure I want to eat suspect beef.
Your noodles are definitely softer than mine.
I'll take that as a personal attack.
This is good. I'm into both of them actually.
That's just good chili with macaroni and cheese in it, or macaroni in it.
Yeah. I think we'll just swap back and forth. All right. We'll just continue eating our dinner. For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again and
Carry
carry
on.
on.